Huh? Charlie? What are you talking about, baby? Just saying what? I love you. Rock and roll? You're such a good girl. My good girl. Yeah. Is she laughing? Are you laughing, baby? Are you laughing? Yeah. Hello. Hello, Charlie. What you doing? Bless you. I said bless you, honey. Yeah. You can hear them down there working, can't ya? Bless you. Oh my gosh, just bless you, honey. You okay? Yeah. Oh, bless you. They'll be done here in a little bit. They'll be done here in a little bit, and then he'll be up here and you can play, okay? Yeah. They're working. They're down there working, baby. Yeah. They're downstairs working. They'll be up here in a little bit, okay? Bless you. Yeah. You got all those toys you could be playing with right now, though. You scratching your head? I love you, Charlie. Okay, honey.